This is a Ford Transit, and this is the Green Hornet. So, we're going to the sand dunes this weekend, and this will be a perfect vehicle for us to get out and camp. We made it here to the sand dunes. We're hanging out in the back of the camper van right now. We haven't seen any sand yet because we got here in the middle of the night. It was pitch black. So we're hoping to wake up and see glorious sand dunes right off from our campsite. But so far it seems like we're on the moon right now.
I found my heart again. You were standing there, you bravely let me in. I could wait 1,000,000 years or more until you came knocking at my door. It's hard to be, it's hard to...
Good morning. We just woke up. We came down the Dunes Trail. And now you can see we're in this little valley. In the spring and early summer, there's a river that runs through here, but in late October, it's totally dry. So we're gonna walk through the river and make it to the dunes this morning.
We're not playing any games. I found a star in you, always guiding me to where my words are true. I've waited 1,000,000 years before, and I do it all.
We made it to the sand! No sand monsters yet.
We just finished watching Dune, so we're just expecting a giant worm to come out of these sand dunes at any moment.
With you I feel something, 'cause we're both so unashamed. We're not playing any games.
We made it here into the dunes. The sand just reminds me of the beach. I'm looking for the ocean and it's not anywhere around. But the sand is awesome. I mean, I don't really know where else you can find this spot besides Egypt.
Favorite song, dancing to it all night long. With you I feel something, 'cause we're both so unashamed. We're not playing any games. I'm not playing any games.
Dune fact: dunes are made of sand.
Dune fact: there's snow in the dunes, but just not today.
Dune fact: rocks stand on top of each other when they're scared.
Dune fact: footprints stay in the sand for 125 years. Probably.
Dune fact: there's bears in the dunes, as evidenced by these bare feet prints.
I've never really seen anything like this before. Let us know down in the comments what you guys think, and we had a great time. We'd love to come back here and spend a little more time, but what did you think?
It was awesome. I think next time maybe we could try getting some sandboards and some sleds. That's a big thing to do here is slide down the dunes. Maybe that would be in our next trip.
Yeah, there's a lot of people doing that, but you do have to hike up the entire dunes, which seems pretty far, but we weren't really up for that today. But we had so much fun. Thanks for coming along with us. We'll see you on the next one. Cheers.